Do this alone for 60 days, and the person you are right now will not survive. Not because it is easy, but because comfort cannot live where discipline grows. Right now, you feel stuck. Days pass fast, but nothing changes. You wake up tired. You scroll. You delay. You promise yourself tomorrow again and again. You are busy, but not progressing. Surrounded by noise, opinions, and distractions. Always connected, yet completely disconnected from your purpose. Deep down, you know this is not the life you imagined, and that realization hurts. But here is the truth most people avoid. No one is coming to save you. No motivation video, no friend, no perfect moment. Your situation is not your fault, but staying here is your responsibility. You don't need more information. You need fewer excuses. You don't need to feel ready. You need to move while feeling uncomfortable. For the next 60 days, you choose isolation with intention, not loneliness, focus. You reduce noise. You limit pleasure. You stop feeding every impulse. You wake up earlier, even when your body resists. You train your body, even when your mind complains. You work in silence while others seek comfort. You do the hard thing daily, especially when no one is watching. Discipline is not intensity. It is consistency under pressure. It is showing up when motivation disappears. It is choosing growth over comfort again and again. At first, it feels heavy. Your old habits will fight back. Your old identity will resist. That version of you wants safety, shortcuts, and approval. But every day you act differently, it gets weaker. Slowly, something shifts. Your mind becomes quieter. Your focus sharpens. Your confidence grows, not from words, but from proof. You begin to trust yourself again. After 30 days, people won't notice much, but you will. Your posture changes. Your discipline tightens. Your standards rise. After 60 days, your old identity can't keep up. The version of you that wasted time, feared effort, and avoided discomfort no longer fits. You have outgrown it. This is how real change happens. Not overnight, not loudly, but through repeated action when no one applauds. So start today, not next week, not when it feels right. Choose one hard habit and execute it daily. Remove one distraction. Keep one promise to yourself. 60 days from now, you can meet the same version of yourself or someone stronger, sharper, and unrecognizable. The choice is yours, but decide now.